You sure you're comfortable with this? Is this what you want to do? All right, just stay right there for just a second. Mr. Roeder, I don't want you to say anything to me about your case at all. Don't say anything. Your lawyer's not present right now. But I understand that there is a chance that you're going to go back to Todd County and that your baby is a month old and you haven't met that baby yet. Is that right? Ms. Roeder, do you want to come up here? I know you have a no contact order between you and Ms. Roeder that I have that I issued, and I'm not changing that. I'm making a temporary exception right in front of me on the record so that you can meet this baby. This is your son. Here. You see his little shirt? Careful. Yep. I have plenty. Let's give him some too. Give everybody some. All right. All right, Mr. Roeder, we'll see you back on August 29th, okay?